Hello everyone, I'm Sabrina and welcome to my channel, The Flutter Fairy. But wait, what is Flutter and what magic we are going to make? So in this video, I'm going to give you a brief introduction about what this channel is about and what's the future plan. So first of all, if you expect some fairy tale stories in the channel, I'm sorry to disappoint you. But if you find my channel through some keywords like Flutter or coding, you probably know what this channel is about. And this channel is a serious coding channel for a serious learner who has a dream, has a drive, and willing to put the time and effort to keep learning and improving. And this channel is in the very early stage. I just get started, and I know my video format is not perfect yet, and it would be a lot better like many other great YouTube video where you see me talking, and on the other side you have slide and a lot of cool effects to make the video more interesting, more fun. That's the plan for the future. And at this stage, I want to focus on more coding tutorial. And if you have seen some of my video, it's kind of boring. So it's mostly like me learning and coding while sharing screen. And in each video, I have a video description and sharing the article, the code link where you can follow along. And although this channel just got started, we already have a growing number of subscribers. And thank you so much. And your subscription shows your support. And this really motivates me to keep going and create more and better video in the future. And here, I want to give a brief introduction of myself and how you can benefit from this channel. So I'm a self-taught software engineer. That means I didn't learn computer science software engineer degree from university. My degree is in finance, economics, and accounting. It took me a really long time to completely transfer my career. And so far, I have been working as a software engineer for several years, and I have helped several startups launching their apps on mobile app as well as web app. So that's what I'm doing. And I learned everything by myself through online course. In most of the time, it was just me taking course, learning, coding, practicing, building apps, debugging, and struggling. And I'm continually learning. And this time, I plan to sharing more while I'm learning and to hopefully learn together with a big community who are just like me, who are the people who are like wanting to change their career as well. And for anyone watching my video or subscribe my channel, thank you very much for your support. I've always wanted to create more YouTube video, and I think it's very creative and very fun, but I never get started until now because I had a lot of worry. I worry, my English is not very good, which is true. So another big thanks for you to tolerate my accent. And I also worry, what if I say something silly, or how can I share my screen where I make mistakes, or I don't know what to say, or no one watch my video. It's okay. I think it's not going to be perfect, and it's very important to get started, and along the way we will improve. Yeah, that is my main message here. And And lastly, I want to give a brief explanation on what is Flutter and why this channel is focused on Flutter. So for detailed information, head over to flutter.dev, where you will see a lot of content and a lot of YouTube channel explain to you what is Flutter, what you can do about it, and how to get started. In my own words, at the very beginning of my career transfer journey, I wanted to make a mobile app. I have no idea how to make it. So I did some research about how to make a mobile application, and it turns out there are many different ways on doing it. And in the past, different platforms like iOS, Android, or web or desktop, they all use a different language. So if a company want to develop an application like YouTube, where you can see on web browser, I don't know if YouTube also have a desktop application or mobile iPad. So you may need several teams working in different language and developing together. And it's not just build and forget. There's a lot of work to launch new feature, fix bug, improving the code, and every step you will have 5 or 4 teams working separately, and it's very costly. So that's where Flutter will help. That's you have one team, Flutter team, read one code base using the programming language Dart, and then this code can be launched into different platforms, and it's a more efficient way and quick way to develop app. And Flutter is not the only way to do so. And I did my research. Another popular way is React Native, which is more popular and have more job opportunity. And because it came early, it was developed by Facebook. Flutter is developed by Google, but both are open source and have a large community and a lot of people working hard to improve these tools. But based on my own research, Flutter has a lot of advantage, and I believe it has great future and has a lot more potential, and more company will adopt Flutter. And this video is not about comparison on different tools or which language to learn. This is what I learned before, and in my company, I work as a Flutter developer and working to develop many applications, which I had a lot of fun to do so. So in my channel, we will focus on Flutter development. That's why it's called the flutterfairy. But going forward, I plan to also include different topics that is beyond Flutter, because after all, Flutter is just one of the tools that can help you building and coding, launching an app. But there are many other aspects to learn, and I will also cover some basic knowledge that you need to learn about computer science, coding with Python, data science maybe, because I also spend a lot of time learning the machine learning technique, data science, because nowadays the AI is very popular, and how do you add the AI technology to your application. And that's all for the introduction video. And currently I have 2 playlists. One is called Study With Me Code Tutorial, where I plan to add more coding tutorial where you can follow along, and I will share the links and code. And another one is Code With Me for a Flutter course, which I purchased from Code with Andrew, and that's my main focus currently, where I want to go through the course and share my journey. If you purchase his course, that's great, and you can follow along and learn with me. And I look forward to answer questions and discuss about different topics. And if you didn't buy his course, that's okay as well. I'm not sharing the video content of his course because of the copyright stuff. But you are able to follow along and code with me, because the code and its articles are public, and I will also explain each steps and mixed with my own experience and analysis. And going forward, we will have more video like this, but in different course. And after that, along the way, I will launch many different video to targeting different levels. Again, thank you so much, and that's all for today. And let's learn together and grow together. Thank you.